Okay guys, we are going out for camping for a night, so let's enjoy together. Alright?
Alright.
So we'll go and sleep at the roadside today.
Okay. Wherever?
Wherever we may land.
Yeah, we learn it.
Today there is no followers, no downline.
No downline.
No downline today.
Followers have not coming today.
And today we are not even getting Misho Gajar.
No miso kazo.
Today Misho Shahrukh is here. So no worries guys, we'll have a great time. Okay, so don't skip the video guys. Alright, let's enjoy together. Let's have fun. Alright?
Alright.
Watch till the end. So you want to say anything to the viewers?
Okay.
Like
Nothing to say, yours is enough.
okay. Alright guys, let's go.
Hi Maya.
Hello, we have reached our spot. Now we are going to start unpacking and setting up our tents. It is already dark, so we cannot show you properly. Okay, we'll see, okay, whether we're able to show you or not. But we have reached our spot and we haven't checked out properly yet. So there is more stream running here as you can hear. And then, okay, let's set up, all right? And let's see how it will turn out. Oh. We went to the wrong place before. So we have turned back. And now we are at the wrong place. So, hey.
So still we are deciding for the place where to keep our tent, where to start our tent. So started. So Sarsungating is the man. He will set up the tent for us. Hello, can you all see there? So unpacking are going on. Unloading, come on. Done.
Okay.
So here, see, coming up. So we are here.
Okay guys, we are about to set up the tent. See, Sir Nganing mi, Sir Titus, Sir Angcha, and at my right side, my videographer, Sir Thomas is here. Yeah. So we'll set up and we'll see. The place is amazing. But now it's a little bit dark to see. So we'll check out in the morning.
How amazing it is.
Yeah, how amazing it is. Okay, finish up setting the tent. This is the second one. Here's one. Okay, Sir Nganing me. Sir Titus is here. So guys, our tent is ready. We will be resting here tonight. And let's see. Okay guys, welcome back. So we are here. So we went out in the jungle today. We are going to rest here as we are doing a camping actually. So we went on to different places searching for the appropriate place, and this is the most convenient one. So we have reached here. As you can see in my background, we have finished setting up the camp. So now we will set up our fire and we'll start our barbecue, or we'll start to prepare our meal. So let's have fun together. So stay with us guys and enjoy with us. Alright, so let's have a good time. Fire is started. Our fire is now burning.
Barbecue about to happen.
And yeah, barbecue about to happen. Sir Nganing is getting ready with the gas stove new. That is secret. Okay. Everything is now ready. We'll take part after some time. And
Eagle is running.
as you can see, the moon is there. Bên này này, giàu ninh bên này này. Ai suy giàu ninh bên này này. ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ crafter ꯑꯁꯦꯡꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ crafter ꯃꯥꯅ ꯇꯧꯒꯗꯧꯕꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ I am doing now. So he is preparing this chana, raw chana. We have started preparing for our meal. Ta-da! Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song.
The legacy. Turn me wrong.
Come on!
Shiana.
Everyone, as you can see, the cooker here is cooking, and the chicken cooking here is cooking. Sir Titus is the sitting, Sir Nganimi is the looking after cooking, and Sir Angsa is the singing, Sir Thomas is the sitting.
Bodyguard.
But very
dark.
you very dark happening. Why?
No light, no?
Alright guys, jokes apart, we are having a good time here. We are preparing our meal, and our chicken is preparing here our curry.
So Joseph, I'm coming, Ivy.
It's really good here. It's amazing. This is a great experience to just come out and to stay like this and to witness all this serenity here around. It's so good. It's so good. Sir name is serving. We will eat now.
Waiting for the chef. So for everyone.
Our chicken, our curry is ready. We will have food now. Meal time. Okay guys, we just finished our dinner and we are washing our utensils here and wash up. Okay. Hello.
Hello.
We are about to sleep. We are inside the tent now, and our tent is all wet. Maybe about to. Our tent might, the water might drip inside our tent.
Yeah.
We're about to sleep. Yeah. We are here in the jungle beside the river, and we had a great meal. It's our first night. Let's hope that it'll be amazing since it is not over yet. But so far it is amazing. Our experience is so good, so refreshing. Anything you want to say before we start?
Nothing to say. We enjoy a lot today, and
Yeah,
we
we
will up
enjoy.
tomorrow.
Good night everyone. Let's hope that we all have good night's sleep, and then we'll see you tomorrow at the sunrise. Alright?
Alright.
So bye bye. Sweet dream. Very good morning everyone. We just wake up, and then we are going to start our today's activity again. So here's our tent. This is where we are. Okay, here's the highway. Sir Titus. Good morning, sir. Good morning everyone.
Good morning.
Pabung, nang hugal ba? Ito yardi to pas tawat sa krana.
Ngarag experience to.
Morning. Alarm clock is here.
Oh.
Who is giving the alarm clock?
Not alarming.
Come here.
Chelsea! Woo! Everyone is working here. Now, my friend here is an expert in YouTube. So he's going to give some advice how to maximize our graph in the YouTube on YouTube. I mean, so okay. So how do we do to make it more higher?
Our views.
Yeah. How to increase the views and
then the graphically representation of the views. The view will be up, that is in maximum. It goes to like up down. The video is very nice and very interesting video. Then the graph will climb like this up to slope, and it goes like in a constant, and it decreasing on the minimum. Okay, that is it.
okay. So those who just start opening the YouTube, please follow what our friend has just mentioned. It will be very, very important for your YouTube channel.
Please. Hello guys, we are here at Stone Crusher.
You see
So
this
here
company?
our manager will explain about the Stone Crusher.
Actually, they are all my employees. They are engaged. Actually, they are engaged for YouTube, only for this sport. And you see, how much is it?
We are back here at our campsite. This is our campsite, and one of our sir is still sleeping, so we are going to bring him. Let's see.
Itu kena atum bro. Itu putong ya bro. Right. Village authority out di situ ya bro. Kenano? Kenano.
See, then we are eating inside the camp. Then it's raining. So to Sardidas ki plate sing flap tàu đấy. Oh, ai quay gì tu? Chutney on gì trăng cái tàu đây. Chờ, my plate. Wow. Nung sitra. Guys, we are now here at the 6 kilometer from Maram. So last night one of our bike got tire puncture, so we will take out and go and repair, and then we will try to move back to Maram again. So let's see, we are removing the tire now. Making is on the process. We have reached here. See, Saturday this. Me. Three of us came. It is very unfortunate. Our boat bike got spoiled, so now we have kept one on the way, and we are going to take the tire and go and fix the other bike. We'll come and try again. So we're having a good time indeed. Hey, cello. So this is the tire, guys.
Origin tire. Tire is only tire.
Yeah. Everyone, we are going back. So our bike got spoiled, so we hire one auto, and now we are packing our things. Our auto is waiting down there. So Sir Thomas is carrying up and down. So we'll get ready. Woo! We are going to carry our Activa.
Sa looy puro ka, bro.
Ôi. Ha. Hap đây, pek cái lối nó hap đây. Hay lên sang đó.
Watch ko masala hapre.
Cho what see đây đây. Ai là pek cái lối nó hap đây.
Thank you so much.
Pi cái gì cả coi. So we are going to load up this engine ignite. It's not igniting. So we hire this and then we are going to put it.
Please subscribe so that we
Yeah.
can get new bigger.
So we will try whether we will able to do or not. So we are trying to load up this Activa in the auto right now. So our journey, our camping, it is amazing experience. All right, so let's try and then we'll see. Guys, we have loaded up our Activa, so cannot push in more than this. So we are ready. We'll tie up with the rope and then we'll try to move and we'll see. So we're trying to reach Maram Kavanam so that we can make from there. Okay, so with this rope we're going to tie up. So how is our journey?
It was very nice.
And memorable.
Memorable
How
night.
about sir like this?
Which cannot be forgotten.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's amazing
it
experience.
was an amazing experience.
Both our bikes
From-
are spoiled.
Yeah.
That is something unique.
When we first came, Sir Titus' bike was spoiled. And then today when we were supposed to go back, Sir Ancha bike, Activa was spoiled. So our millionaire, why don't you buy new?
Yeah.
So how do you feel now, Sir
I'm
Anja?
planning to buy one Activa company. company. These companies I will buy. Whole company.
So
This company.
Sir
South
Ngining
Korea.
is even Sir Ngining also give some comment.
Or Japan. I think or Honda company. No?
So once he buy, I'm going
All
to
the
be,
Activa in the world. Not only India. Not only India.
Okay, guys, we are having good time. It is fun. It is fun to experience like this once in a while. No, once it is good, no, to experience like this. And please don't forget to subscribe. All right, everyone. Okay, your support and your love makes me happy. Like this amazing trip. Hey. Okay, we have load up. We are tying up, and then we'll be moving out very soon. So let's see the process. So guys, now we are on the way.
I got angry. I will buy all this company.
So this is the Activa, and sir, our friend here got angry with the company
Yeah.
because it got spoiled in the
Tomorrow.
middle of nowhere.
Early in the morning.
So he's now planning to buy away the company.
I will be leaving for Japan. Honda company. Oh, you will run away. So please search in Google who is the manager now.
Wow, this is amazing experience, and now we are on the way back to Maram. So we had a great time, guys. So please do support and subscribe. We went and we want to show you everything what we are doing, right? So we made all these videos, all this vlog. So please subscribe and show your love as well, okay? And then we will continue this journey together. All right, without you there will be no Brothers' YouTube channel. With you we can conquer a lot of things. So let us journey on together. And Sarangja, for the last time, any comment?
No problem, no issue. We are enjoying. Thank you for love and support. Subscribe
Whoa,
watching channel.
whoa, thank you very much. Woo. We are going home. La 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 la. Sir Nganimi and our uncle here is driving us, and Sir Toibipa is there. Yeah. Hey! We are almost there. We are almost there. Way! One of our colleagues, he went ahead. We are unloading our bike now, our scooty. We're going to make here. We have reached. By handle to straight to kro. Steering. Okay, finally we have unloaded our scooty, and we are going to make it now.
Some beer, the restless one for a while. Huh? See the me and later.
Ay nangai pirage. Operation, our scooty operation, and this one is Sir George's bullet operated, not completed yet. This it was seated by Sir me and got spoiled. That bite also yesterday because he sat there, got punctured, and today this morning he sat here. That's why everything got seized again. So we are making now. So three bikes because he said this is amazing experience. Okay, we are operating now. We are making now. Check it. We have reached home finally. Or our vehicle is now with the doctor.
Only guitar is coming back.
So we are back.
Only helmet came back.
Yeah, helmet came back. Sir Thomas, Sir Angcha, now we are going to depart from here. So thank you everyone, and thank you for the amazing trip, guys. Yeah.
Thank you. It was memorable and
Yeah. It is.
Even though our vehicle is already this work.
Yeah, it's worth it. It's worth it. Okay, so guys, this will be the last vlog.
Hello.
Bye bye. See you in the next video.